Hello my curl friends, I hope you're having a fabulous day so far. Today's video I wanted to talk about hair masks. Now this is something that I highly recommend that you do on a regular basis. So if you're interested to see the products that I'm going to mention here today, these are three of my favorites, then keep on watching. Okay, welcome back. So the first one that I want to talk about is going to be from Devacurl, and this is going to be the Deep Sea Repair. So I hope you can see that in a little bit of a glare. There we go. So this is 100% going to be curly girl friendly, of course, since it is from Devacurl. But what I love about this is a few things. So the first thing with this and what it says, what it does. So how do I use it? What does it do, this and that. So after cleansing thoroughly, saturate the hair and let it sit on the hair for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is going to be a middle of the road as far as a longer hair mask. So this is something you do want to use a little bit longer. So you want to, use this in the shower if you want to, or you can come back out and then just do a couple of things, put your hair up and just let it sit. This smells amazing, so I'm just going to swatch this for you guys. I don't want to use too much of the products, but there you go. So it's a really creamy, thick consistency. You can see it's not even coming off my hand. Smells so good. It smells like a light floral scent. Oliver, sorry, you're gonna hear Oliver in the background. So it's a light floral scent. It's very lotiony, very heavy lotion. Again, smells amazing. So this one is really good for those who have fine hair. And this is actually something that was recommended to me by the Devacurl specialist who cut my hair. So she recommended this one for me. So if you have a hair type that's similar to mine, which is very fine hair, then this can also work for you. Now, what I love about this one in particular is that it also helps with moisturizing. So it really just puts the moisture right back into my hair where the hair needs it. So that's why I like to use this one right here. So I'll use this one because it's like a middle of the road as far as the penetration and how long you need to keep it on your hair. I'll use this one probably like once every couple of weeks or so. That's how I like to use this guy. And then you do want to, as far as with this, what I tend to do with this is if I am in the shower, by the way, is I will just put a shower cap over my hair to let the steam just help to activate it a little bit more. Okay, now, if you're in a quick hurry, like you have a day going on and you're just like in a super hurry and you want to just do kind of a quick mask, then this is my absolute favorite go-to. Now this is from a company called The Main Choice. This you can find in your local, hopefully in your local store, drugstore, like a CVS. I believe that's where I got mine, or like a Walgreens. So I think Walmart might have some, and of course online you can go like Amazon, or you can go directly to their company to order this. And this is from the Pink Lemonade and Coconut line. So it does smell just like pink lemonade. It's actually amazing. What I love about this one in particular is that it has super antioxidant. It says a texture beautifier. It's a 5-minute mask, reviving mask. It helps to support natural growth and retention. Ready, set, curl is what it says. It's also an anti-frizz. And let me just tell you that this is truly an amazing product. So let me swatch this one for you as well. Okay, so this is like a pinkish kind of lemonade, as you can see. Again, not falling off my hand. So it's gonna be that, creamy consistency as well as lotion. Now it's not gonna be as thick as the Devacurl one, but it is still a nice thick lotion. Oh, and it smells exactly like pink lemonade, you guys. Exactly. This stuff is so awesome. I will say that this is probably my go-to on a regular basis. I do use this one once a week for sure. So I will gravitate to this guy for several reasons. One, because of everything that I mentioned that it does for your hair. So I'll read a little bit more on what it says, by the way. It says it's designed to deeply penetrate to enhance texture, softens and restores and repairs damaged, dehydrated hair, helps hair to retain proper moisture balance, instantly revitalizes hair strands to reveal the moisture optimal texture, helps to support growth and length retention, and 6th, minimizes frizz and improves hair overall integrity. This is definitely, just because it does so much, is why I probably gravitated to it the most. Also, what I will say about this is when I use this, my curls are so bouncy and defined and very like more tighter type curls, is what I noticed with this guy. So this is probably going to be my all-time favorite one. I know I'm kind of giving it away ahead of time. I'm going to show you only 3 products here, and I'm showing you this right out the gate as the second product, but it is my favorite choice for right now between these two. Okay, now I'm going to go over to the third product. The third product is from a company called Curls, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with this brand. And this company, it's amazing as well. You can also find these products in Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Amazon, Target, I believe will also carry this too. And I'm not sure if Ulta carries this as well. And I have not, by the way, I've not seen Ulta carry this either, or Sephora. So I've only seen them carry the Devacurl line. But let's go back to this guy. So with this one, this is from the Blueberry Bliss line, and it's a reparative hair mask. Now this one's going to be a really deep, intensive hair mask. So this is one that you're going to want to use when you are going to be home for the day. This is what, I don't know if you can see this. This is what it looks like. This is a brand new container. I have been using it, but a little goes a long way. Oh my gosh. This to me though smells the best out of all 3. It smells just like blueberries. If you guys remember back in the day, I'm gonna kind of age myself here, but gosh, what was it called? The strawberry, the little figurine strawberry shortcake, that was her name. She had also like a blueberry version. That's exactly what this smells like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's again a very creamy, thick, even more thick than the Devacurl. You can see it's not coming off my hand at all. Look how thick that is, you guys. So this is really a really thick, intensive hair mask. So this one, when I use this guy, I will use this one like on a Sunday when I'm going to do I want to do a really deep conditioning. I'll go ahead and wash my hair like normal. And then I might, if I feel like my hair needs a little bit more moisture, I'll go ahead and use the conditioner as well. And then I will put this on. After I put this on, I get out of the shower and then you put on my Hot Heads, I believe that's what it's called, Hot Head Thermal Hair Care. And this just goes right on top of your head. This is what the inside of what it looks like. It's like a terry cloth type material. Or actually microfiber. It's probably microfiber, to be honest with you. On the inside, it has flax seeds so that you can put this into the microwave. And I chose the cute cupcakes design. There's so many designs, but you can simply go to Hot Heads. I believe it's called hothead.com. I'll leave the information below for you guys and a link so you can go right to it. And you just order any, pattern that you like. But what's great about this, you pop this into the microwave for a few minutes, inside and then outside, and keep flipping it. So I'll do it twice on each side. And then after I apply this, I put just a regular shower cap. So just your like 99-cent plastic shower cap over my head first. Then I put this over on top of that. And then I'll just sit with this on my hair for like a good 45 minutes to an hour. And so I can really let my hair just really get a deep, intense penetration and moisture of this guy here. So let's go back to what this one does. So this is a reparative hair mask, and this also has no sulfate, silicones, parabens, artificial oils, colors, or fragrances. It does smell like blueberries though, so I'm not sure why it says or fragrances, but because it does smell like that. It's an intensive reparative, deep conditioning hair mask guaranteed to repair damage and enhance growth. Again, another reason why I like to use this product. It's a deep penetrating intensive conditioning hair mask guaranteed to prevent breakage, repair damage, and enhance growth. Formulated with certified organic blueberry extract, aloe leaf juice, chamomile extract, clinically proven to repair, protect, restore, and grow your curls. It's supposed to soften, detangle, moisturize, condition, and hydrate your curls while repairing damage, protecting against breaking, and encouraging hair growth. So this is why I like to use this one as the longer hair mask. So Great product. It smells amazing, and it does so many things for your hair. So I do love this so very much. Now this does not have protein though in it, so it's not going to be a protein mask. So if you feel your hair is lacking with protein, then you would go ahead and use a different mask for that. Personally, I do eat a lot of protein on a daily basis because I am in the fitness industry. So I feel I do not need extra protein. So I tend to go more for these kind of products that are more the masks for just simply moisturizing and repairing, since I am still transitioning my hair from using the hot tools, all that kind of stuff. So I've been hot tools free now for, my gosh, I want to say probably at least a good 6 months. I believe it's been about 6 months now since I've done my transition. I have noticed that my curls have continued to get more curly, more coily. Obviously on the inside it's going to have more curls. I can see that because I know it's hard. My hair is dark. And I will say though that the top of my crown area, where I have a little bit of a bang area, that is the most crucial and most damaged part, unfortunately. So I am still really struggling with trying to get that part of my hair to coil. Because of all the straight ironing or flat ironing my hair. But it's done a great job in trying to repair itself, and that is all due to the Curly Girl method. If you're not familiar with that method, can please watch one of the other videos that I have. Will talk about Curly Girl method, where you're using no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens as well, to kind of help you with your journey if you're new to this journey. All right, you guys, I hope this was a helpful video for you, and I just wanted to show you what my favorite masks were that I love to use. And please leave me a comment below if you've tried any of these 3, or if you have another mask that you were absolutely in love with. I would love to know, because I'd like to give it a try. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.